Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to open apps on the little pop-up view, as you can see here, on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. So, in order to actually do it, first, you want to open an application that you want to open in your pop-up view. Then, go here and simply click the icon, and here you can click open in pop-up view. Now you can do a bunch of different things with this. If you want to move it, you want to hold on to this little blue line here in order to actually move it around. And if you want to resize it, you simply grab by one of the corners and resize it however you want. However, there is also other way to do it, and that is by using a gesture, but I don't think it is enabled by default. So we simply go into settings, scroll down all the way down, and go to advanced features. And here we can see multi-window, and as you can see we have disabled the option, so we simply enable it. And now if we are in our settings, we can simply swipe from upper right corner. I believe from the upper right corner. How about it's oh yes, from the upper right corner and towards the middle. So as you can see now, we have two ways of actually opening our applications in split-up view, in pop-up view. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.